If you are unable to migrate data via move to iOS, try to troubleshoot the problem with effective methods in this video. Solution 1. Ensure that you have turned on Wi-Fi. Generally, iPhone will create a private Wi-Fi network when connecting with your Android device. Thus, you need to disconnect your Android device from any Wi-Fi network or forget the previous Wi-Fi connection. After that, iPhone will automatically search for the nearby Android device running, move to iOS and display a security code. After inputting the code on your Android device, you will establish a connection between the two devices. Solution 2. Check if the cellular data is switched off. Sometimes the cellular data on your phone may interrupt the data transfer. So, you'd better turn off the cellular data on your Android and iPhone to see whether a smooth transfer is on the way. Solution 3. Turn on airplane mode. Open the control center on your iPhone and touch the airplane mode icon to turn it on. Pull down the notification bar on your Android phone and enable the airplane mode. Switch on Wi-Fi while the airplane mode is on to make your devices communicate and transfer files over the private Wi-Fi network. Solution 4. Unselect Smart Network Switch or Connections Optimizer. Open your Android phone settings, Connections, More Networks. Choose Mobile Networks, turn off the Connections Optimizer. Go to Wi-Fi settings, toggle off Smart Network Switch. Solution 5. Update your Android or iPhone software versions. On your Android phone, go to Settings, About Phone, check for updates. Open Settings, General Software Update, download and install on your iPhone. If there is an available new update, download and install it with the on-screen prompts. Also, we kindly remind you to back up your Android and iPhone data before updating, although the update won't erase the content. Solution 6. Ensure that the desired content works with your iOS device. Ensure that the content you are moving from Android, including that on the external SD card, is compatible with your new iPhone, or you cannot transfer files successfully. Solution 7. Don't use your device during data migration. You should also not use either device during data migration. Otherwise, the move to iOS transfer interrupted will pop up again. Solution 8. Close apps that affect Wi-Fi connection. Head over to Android Settings, Wireless and Networks, Data Usage. Select Network Access and check the Wi-Fi option next to the app you want to close. Exit Settings and restart the data migration process. Solution 9. Reset network or router. When move to iOS is unable to migrate on iPhone, you can also reset the Wi-Fi network settings on your iPhone or restart the router. You may not believe it, but it actually solves the issue in some cases. Solution 10. Restart your devices. On your Android phone, press and hold the power button until the power menu pops up. Then, click Restart to reboot your device. On your iPhone, press and hold the power button until a slider appears. Next, switch the slider from left to right to power off your iPhone. After that, manually restart your device by tapping the power button. Solution 11. Use a reliable move to iOS alternative, Coolmuster Mobile Transfer. 1. Run Coolmuster Mobile Transfer on your computer after installation and enter the mobile transfer module. 2. Plug your Android and iOS device into the computer using suitable USB cables. Then ensure to enable USB debugging on the Android device and trust the computer on your iDevice. Once connected, you will see Connected under the device position. Note: ensure that the Android must be in the source position. If necessary, tap the flip button to switch them. 3. Check the content you wish to transfer and tap the Start Copy button below to migrate from Android to iOS.